Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you some ways to fix crashing when you're trying to play Atomic Heart. I know it's kind of pretty annoying when you're just trying to play the game. Like, it's very annoying. It's kind of like buggy or something like that, but there's some ways to fix the problem, so don't worry, I'll try my best to help you. There are two ways now. I can't guarantee this will work, but I'll try, as I said, to help you. So let's jump right into the video. And make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I already appreciate it. And if you want to, watch more tutorials, make sure you subscribe. So now the first way, this method is pretty overlooked, and a lot of people don't consider to update their Windows, but I'm telling you it's very important. Make sure you update your Windows, and as well as go to advanced options, go to optional updates, and also here make sure you check all the updates related to Windows. This will make sure you won't have any problems with the game. This will ensure, but maybe there are other problems that are interfering with the game, so I can't guarantee you, but make sure you update your Windows as well. And make sure also you install direct end user runtime web installer. This is something as very important as well when you're playing games. It's very important to have installed on your computer direct as end user runtime, and as well as Microsoft Visual C++. Make sure you install this package, and also if you have NVIDIA, if you are a NVIDIA user or you have a NVIDIA card, make sure you install this software as well. This tool will automatically detect if you have drivers that are not up to date, and it's pretty good. Yeah, so make sure you're doing this as well. It's pretty easy, just install and then it will detect. And you can also go here to GeForce Experience for those that are NVIDIA users, and here you can check if there's any driver available. As you can see, there's a driver available right now. I just have to click on to download for a game ready driver. You can also go to Device Manager, and you click on here display, and click on update driver, search, let me pick, and click on next, select your model and click on next. Okay, but if you're an AMD user, you can also use this for AMD.com. use auto detect, will auto detect if there's any available drivers. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's what worked for me for tons of the games that I had problems with, and I hope it's gonna work for you as well. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe for daily tutorials. Thank you and take care.